Dowie are committing to going organic and sustainable. They're building the cellar door with energy efficient solar and air conditioning in mind to try and reduce their energy costs and do the right thing. They're also looking at putting in electric vehicle charging station out the front there, trying to be as energy efficient and responsible. Yeah, so we were asked to try and accommodate this bit of a unique build, being 4 shipping containers, 3 of them joined, 1 for the toilet. So had a bit of constraints in regards to space and size, so it was a bit of a difficult installation. So we've got a 9.5 kilowatt ducted mid-static air conditioner and a split system in the back office, and then we've got a 10 kilowatt 3-phase inverter, and the panels on the roof are 39 panels installed on a custom-made roofing to optimise the angle 30 degrees north facing to give them the most power production possible. So the solar was always part of the design. The architect had built the roof on top of the container to maximise the solar production. Yeah, the architect was very adamant on what he wanted. It had to be symmetrical, it had to be neat, because as you drive down the road, you get a good look at the panels on the roof as you're driving up to the cellar door. Everything had to be hidden. So the inverter we've got mounted on top of the container. All the pipes were hidden underneath the building, not visible. So yeah, we had to work with him and managed to come up very good. We've also installed smart meter so that they can monitor their energy consumption of the cellar door, which is installed in the main switchboard, which will give them full data analysis of their energy consumption, self-consumption and export, so they can keep a track of what energy they're using. They're trying to get the organic certification, so it makes sense to, especially to use something that's going to last. Can guarantee that that's going to be on the roof for 25 years. So it gives the customer peace of mind.